And I hope they say,
This isn't really funny, and I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, hi. There's a big ass, long ass piece of hair in my salad. And it's disgusting looking. And that's disgusting looking. Ew.
I'm sorry. Oh my
God,
God.
took like 4 bites. Just give me your salad.
All right.
Okay, she don't want a salad. I'm gonna eat her salad. We want that.
Can we get this one more ranch because she likes a little bit of
No, it's
leaf
okay.
lettuce.
I have right here.
Oh, okay, then never mind.
Okay. I'm really sorry.
That's
guys.
disgusting.
It is really
Okay, like that's like lose your appetite. I don't want to eat no more ever again in my life. Salad.
How are your drinks? Are they okay?
Fucking
Oh my God, the drinks are
amazing.
delicious.
Good.
Or
Good.
freaking
Drinks are
amazing.
delicious. Because I was like, oh ma'am, did you make these? She was like, no. I was like, well, if you did, they're delicious.
They did say that for your pasta, you can add extra artichokes, but it's like in the sauce. It's like extra. It'll be like extra.
That's
sauce and
fine.
extra artichokes.
Yeah, I love artichokes. You can.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Then I'll put that right in for you. Okay.
Thank you. Ew.
Chair's got my salad. Everything's kosher and legit to go. I'm hair free, yo.